Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this today video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful function which is called XLOOKUP, and here we will learn how to fetch the known far apart column. Like I want to fetch the column number, customer name, product and amount in a one go in the XLOOKUP. So keep staying here and we will learn till the end. So this is my database where I have this invoice number, customer name, date, product, amount, and status. And the return output I want for this invoice number only the customer name, amount, and status. So generally in XLOOKUP, if I type XLOOKUP, I will share the description of how to use XLOOKUP. You can go through and learn that. We are looking after how to extract in XLOOKUP this customer name, amount, and sale only. So I will type XLOOKUP. Here is my invoice number. Lookup array is my this invoice numbers. I have to look for this F4 and my return array. In this XLOOKUP, I can select all the columns for the return array. I cannot have a part cases here. So what I have done is I have mentioned is to search for the invoice number and look for the I have mentioned the return array, this all customer name, invoice date, and this. If I press enter, see I will get the first name is correct invoice name, but for the amount I am getting the date. So I am getting all these things, but I don't want to include this. How to exclude in this to make the formula easy. So in this case we can use another 365 formula which is choose column, where I will mention the array is my this XLOOKUP formula, and here I have to mention the column number. So first I have start this arrays from the customer name. So my first column is column number 1, 2 I not required, 3 I not required, I required 4 and 5. So I will type 1, 4 and 5. If I press enter, see I am getting the result. But still you are saying that I have manually entered this number. So we can type 145 by using formula called X match. If I type X match, my lookup value is this and return is, he will check this in that column in which number they are giving. So if I press enter here, I will just have to so I get the required number 145. So if I just copy this formula and paste it here, see now my formula is dynamic. Even if I required here suppose in the instead of amount I required product, I getting the result. So my formula is dynamic. So this is what formula is now all about. You search for the XLOOKUP, get the array with the use of choose column and X match, you will get the your desire. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this.